Okay, now we're going to take a look at the last few questions. You have your question 36. It says that a tank and a flask contain a total of 3,000 ml of water at first. Okay, David spilled 3,345 ml of water from the tank. He then transferred 480 ml of water from the tank to the flask. As a result, the tank had twice as much water as the flask. How much water was in the tank at first? So this one you have to draw model. Okay, let's draw my model. I draw the at first. Okay, at first you have the tank. Okay, this one you have to draw slightly longer because he spilled 345 ml water from the tank. Okay, this at first. Then that you have the flask. Okay, from the tank to the flask. So the flask, right, originally I have some water. I do not know how much. Okay, so this at first what you're going to draw. Then after that, you have an after. You have the tank. It says that David spilled this amount of water from the tank. Okay, he spilled this amount of water from the tank. Okay, so he spilled this amount of water from the tank. And did he just spill the water from the tank? He transferred 480 of water from the tank to the flask. Okay, he transferred 480 of water from the tank to the flask. Okay, then as a result, the tank had twice as much water as the flask. As a result, the tank had twice as much water as the flask. So this is 1 unit. This one here would be 1. Okay, here you have 480. This is my 1 unit. And this is my 1 unit. And this is 480. And this is also 1 unit. And 480 is here. So this is my 1 unit. Okay, 1 unit. Then this one will be 2 unit plus 960. Because this is this one. 2 units, 960. Okay, so you have now a working model now. This 3,000 ml, because a tank and a flask contain 3,000 ml water at first. Okay, then David spilled this amount from a tank. He then, okay, right now what I'm doing is I'm checking my model. Okay, so when you do the questions, right, you have to check your model before you actually do the questions. So you draw a model already, then now you have to check your model to make sure it's a working model is correct before you move on. So you have your tank. and a flask contain a total of 3,000 ml water at first. So a tank and a flask contain 3,000 ml of water at first. David spilled 345 ml from the tank. He then transferred 480 to the flask. This one here. Okay, let me draw nicely. So he transferred this 480 here. Okay, originally flask is 1 unit. So this 480 was transferred here. 480 was transferred here. Okay, from the tank to the flask. As a result, the tank had twice as much water. As a result, the tank has twice as much water. The tank has twice as much water compared with the flask. This part is correct. The model is correct. Can you see? The tank has twice. Okay. Then after that, how much water was in the tank at first? Then I need to find out this one is how long, right? Originally, I didn't fill out this part, right? I only fill out this part later. So this part is 2 units plus 960. So when you draw model, right, you don't have to fill in every details. Like for the start, I never fill in this part. I only fill in this part later when I draw. So you have 2 units plus 960. So now you have a working model, a correct model. Now you can do the question. The question is asking how much water was in the flask at first. So they are looking for 1 U. So here you have 2 units plus your 960 plus your 480 plus your 345, then plus my 1 more unit. That will give you 3,000. Do you agree with this statement?
Yes.
Yes, right? So 2 units plus 1 unit, you have 3 units. Then this one you add together. This one you have to do your working, this working 360, no, 960. Okay, 960 plus 480 plus 345. I'm going to add all together. This is 5, 18, 10, 17. Okay, you have 1785. So minus 1785 equal to 3,000. Then after that, plus 1785. Okay, plus 1785. So 3 unit equal to 12 equal to 3,000 minus 1785. Because if it's plus is 1785, right? I bring over to the other side of the equation, I need to change the sign to minus. You understand this concept?
Yes.
Because I'm bringing the 1785 to the other side of the equation. So from positive, I change to negative. You always need to change the sign. And minus change to plus, times change to divide, divide change to times, wherever you do this transfer of the term, called bring over the term. So you have your 3,000 minus your 1785. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, this one is 2. This one is 10 originally, then become 9. Then this 10, become 9. Okay, 10 minus 5, 9 minus 8, 9 minus 7, 2 minus 1, 1215. That's your 3 unit. Then to find 1 unit, right? What must you do to find 1 unit? How to find 1 unit? If 3 units,
1213 divided by 3.
1215 divided by 3. Okay? Or 1215. Okay, divide by 3. So you have your 4. We bring down 1, nothing. Can't divide. 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, this is 0. Because 1 divided by 3 is 0. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 405. Okay, so answer is 405. Okay, this one I use shortcut method to divide. You understand this part? Or you want me to show the proper working how I get 405?
I know.
You know, because I use shortcut to do. Okay. Anyway, the long working.
3 times 5 equals 15, that's why.
Yeah. Okay. Is 0. Then I bring down my 5, 15, then 5. Is the 0 because you might get 45. 45, then it's wrong already. Okay, answer is 405. So how much water was in the flask at first? 405 ml.
ml.
Okay, remember you need ml. Okay, any question regards to this question?
No.
No. Okay, we move on to the next question.